guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be unboxing this. It's a Logitech C922 Pro HD stream webcam. So yan, sobrang daming gumagamit yan. And isa na tayo doon. The main reason why ito yung napili natin is because number 1, it's done 1080p 30 frames per second. Number 2, and 720p 60 fps. So ibig sabihin, wala tayong lag pagdating sa pag-stream natin. So, napaka-importante yun. Okay, so as you can see, this is the box. Ito yung camera itself. No, yan yung image ng camera. Yan yung makukuha natin. And sa baba, yan yung Logitech logo. I think that's the old version. Makikita nyo yung logo dito is Logitech, even though C922 Pro HD webcam din siya, pero yung logo niya dito is Logitech na buo. Pero ito yung bago na logi lang, parang nalogi sa business. Ayan, so sa likod naman, so meron tayong dual microphone and meron din tayong Logitech capture software. Yan yung nada-download sa website nila. Ipapakita ko din yan sa inyo. Okay, so ano pang hinihintay natin, guys? Let's go ahead and unbox it. Tripod. Ayun. Oops. Mukha naman maganda yung tripod mo, guys. Ayan. So, this is a tripod. Mabigat siya. Talagang yung quality talagang nandun. And the manual. Ayan. And the camera itself. So, balit na balit pa siya ng plastic kung makikita nyo, guys. Yung taas. Natin sa left side and the right side. Yun. And ito yung kiniklip natin sa monitor. And the back. Okay. Ayan. Tumutungo siya. Pwede siyang itungo. Ayan. However, it doesn't turn left and right. Yun yung disadvantage niya. Ito naman yung clip niya. Talagang medyo may kabigatan tong camera na to. Ito, rubber siya. Maganda. Ito rin, rubber. Okay. So, tanggalin na natin yung plastic. Wow. Red. That's about it. Ayan na po mga kaibigan ng lahat ng laman ng box. Okay, so yung camera, yung manual, and the tripod, and also the XSplit 3-month subscription. Ayan, napakaganda. Okay, so pakita natin kung anong itsura niya habang nasa tripod. So, yan siya. Napakaganda. And mabigat talaga, guys. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Mabigat talaga siya. Okay, guys. Pagkatapos nyong ma-install or ma-connect yung camera sa computer nyo, kailangan nyong i-download yung software ng Logitech, which is Logitech Capture. All you have to do is go to logitech.com. Nandito na tayo. Pwede nyong i-search sa Google yung website nila.
Okay guys, so we are now using the camera itself. Ay, pasensya na kayo. Sobrang excited lang ako kasi sobrang linaw ng camera. And 1080p 30 frames per second. Ayan. And yung microphone ginagamit ko rin ngayon. So yung bosses na naririnig nyo from me is coming from the microphone ng camera itself. Napakaganda. So, I recommend the camera sa mga meetings, sa schools, and also sa gaming. However, if you like professional content, so bumili ka na lang ng standalone na microphone. Okay? Pero yung microphone nito, camera na to, hindi na talaga siya masama. Pwede na talaga siya sa mga streaming na streaming contents, sa mga content creators, mag-upload sa YouTube. unboxing, yan yung mga bagay na magagamit mo talaga ng camera na to. Okay, so pros and cons. Number 1 pro is of course the build quality. Very nice, panalo tayo dyan, Logitech. Number 2 is of course yung cable. Tamang-tama yung length kung may mahaba kang cable. Alright, magagamit mo talaga itong camera na to with that cable itself. Okay? Number 3, yung microphone na lang. Yan, napaganda ng microphone. Talagang maiintindihan ka ng mga viewers mo, maiintindihan ka kung mag-video call kayo. Pwede. Alright, so mga negative naman dito sa camera na to is hindi siya nataturn ng 180 degrees. Yung movement niya is up and down. And number 2 na hindi ko nagustuhan is yung cable hindi detachable. Other than that, wala na. Okay? So Dar, marirecommend mo ba itong camera na to? Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, yes, marirecommend ko. Kung nag-aay ka ng magandang image, alright, kung sapat lang yung budget mo, hindi mo kayang bumili ng DSLRs, dito ka na. C922 Pro, okay, pwede. Although meron naman 4K camera, pero I don't think kailangan pa ng 4K webcam. Siguro kung mag-4K ka, umakyat ka na lang ng DSLRs, okay? Kasi kung 1080p cameras, mag-stream ka lang, yung image mo sobrang liit, mako-compress yung pixels, alright? Mas lalo kang linaw. And most of the people na manonood sa'yo gamit lang yan is cellphone. Alright? Okay, so guys, that's all for now. That's all about this. Maybe I'll upload another video kung meron tayong idadagdag. Siguro yung software niya, idadagdag ko yung tutorial nun, yung capture software from Logitech. Right now, yung nakikita nyo dun sa baba, that's from the software itself. Yung Dartech reviews na yan, and what they call that, the watermark, the Logi watermark that came from the software of Logitech. Okay? Sige, gagawa na lang tayo ng tutorial niyan. Wala sa pag-download and paano siya gamitin. May lang siguro to, siguro mga 5 minutes lang. Hindi lang naman. Alright? Okay. So, if you like the video, please hit like. And if there's something na gusto mo i-comment, lagay mo lang dyan sa baba. Alright? Now, if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay. Napakalinaw talaga ng camera. So that's all for now. I just want to thank you for subscribing and for watching Dartech Reviews. Ingat tayo guys. Bye-bye.